Hi, welcome back. In this video we will replace this first line with this ID with capital letters, comma, amount, comma, cost. So when we run the Python script, this line will be replaced to this text. Let's do this. Let's open merge.csv file. That is a file that has to be changed in read mode first as file, and we get the contents file.read lines. So this method gives us a list of all the lines so that we can work on a line level. With that list now, we say something like content 0 equals to that string ID, comma, amount, cost. So what that does is this. Let's suppose we have this list A is equal to 1, 2, 3. If you say the item with index 0 has to be replaced with, let's say, this string, what you get is a list with this new item as the first item, the item with index 0. So that is what we're doing here. And then you open the file again in write mode this time. And you can use write lines and just pass content there, the list. So this is one way to do it. You run that, merge.csv now has this new content with this new line. But we forgot to add a backslash here, so let me run again. Yeah, now it looks fine. So that is one way to do it. The other way, which I think it would be unnecessary, would be to convert the list into a string using the join method, which we used in the previous video, and then use write to write the string in the file. So write works with strings and write lines works with lists. So this is a list. That is the equivalent of read lines. So that completes this video. Thank you, and let's do some more.